Because, hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ian.is Weirdo. It's a very special one because you know that giveaways don't happen every day on this channel, especially not anymore because your boy is poor, which rhymes. But we just hit 1K, woo woo. So for a very long time, I've been leading up to this giveaway. I will be giving away this set of Clover Amore hooks. It is a set that has 10 hooks. There are 10 different sizes, and they're all color-coded. If that makes your brain happy, it makes my brain happy, and it makes it easy to just grab the hook and kind of know where I'm going, know which ones I have duplicates of very easily without examining every single number. So, without further ado, this package has size B, which is a 2.25 millimeter hook, to a size J, which is a 6 millimeter hook. So I'm going to tell you in this video what I need you to put in the comments to enter this giveaway. You need to be subscribed to me, and you need to like this video. The giveaway will be ending February 2nd, which is a week from today, and it will end at midnight Eastern Standard Time, where I will draw someone randomly from the comments using a random generator comment picker thing. So I'm going to tell you what I think about these hooks from personal experience, because I do really like these hooks. Weirdly enough, I just happen to have an extra set and have had it for like 2 years waiting for 1K. So that's what this means. The top doesn't close super well. I don't want to go and dig in because I don't want to get my grubby paws on it, but just so you know, it's like some of them aren't sitting quite in their little thing. They've fallen out. So, so yeah, so you're going to need to say something specifically in this, in the comments for me to pick you. I'm going to be searching for a particular term, and I need you to put that in there. So, I first, let me just tell you what I think about these hooks. One, I think they're great. I think they're great for beginners. I think they're great for more advanced crocheters. I think they're really all around great hooks. Probably my favorite hooks all around across the board for pretty much every type of yarn. Don't find many yarns that I don't like with this hook. It is a hybrid shape, but it is probably more leaning towards the tapered side. This is a 6 millimeter. This is my own hook. This is not from the set. Like I said, did not open, no grubby paws, what have you. But it does have a slightly pointier top than a lot of tapered hooks do, which I think is what gives it its hybrid edge. Also, it has a nice divot in there to pick up the yarn and all of the pieces of the yarn that you need. One of the reasons why this is tied for my top favorite hooks with furls is that it's ergonomic in the sense that it has this rubber grip. It's got a nice thumb grip, but for me, I choke up on the hook a lot, and so a thumb grip up here would be nice. But it's still a great hook. But because I have wrist problems, the furls really, really help my wrist problems. I personally can't crochet as long in a row with these hooks, but they're still great hooks. And for me, moving from pure aluminum hooks to these, I got so much faster with crocheting. And I learned about that trick, and this is what you need to type in the comments. I learned that trick from Kelly's Crochet Adventures. And so, so what I want you to do is I want you to tag Kelly's Crochet Adventures in this video. And all you have to do is type this right here. And then you can enter. So for me, it was a trick that she learned from Triple C Crochet, which is Auntie Dana, as we all know and love her. Creatively Created Crochet. A trick Kelly learned from Dana is that these hooks will help you get faster with crocheting than aluminum only hooks. And for me, I did find a difference in the speed at which I could crochet. Now once I'm into like the ultra ergonomic territory. These definitely, they're still faster than my furls, but my furls I can crochet for longer, so it's a little bit of a trade-off for me. But everybody's different in what they like in a hook and everything like that. These are really great hooks. Like I said, getting a kit that comes with the 2.25 to the 6mm is going to give you a large range of projects that you can do. And I really, really like that. These were great hooks for me to start with. This brand also has larger and smaller hooks that you can buy if you find that you like these, or if you know that you like these and you just want some extras. Enter the giveaway. It's free. I mean, literally the best things in life are free, and these are up there, right? So I have some duplicates of certain ones, or ones that I thought I lost and I couldn't find, so I had to buy another one. And basically, I have all of them, and am looking to buy the smaller set because that's how much I like these hooks. So, so I yeah, I just wanted to be honest about the review of these. So they do have a comfortable grip. That rubber silicone texture is very, very nice. They are made in Japan. These are authentic clovers. I've authenticated them, so I made sure that they had the right things on them, so they weren't fakes, because you can get some fakes off of Amazon. And obviously that's not the intention, right? If you want a good hook, you want to get a hook, and you don't want to get a fake. I just wanted to say, you know, kind of removing myself from the hook talk for a little bit. I'm very thankful to reach 1K. I didn't think we would do it on this channel, if I'm being honest, after I took such a prolonged break from YouTube. I'm very thankful for all of your support in helping me get there. Please make sure you are subscribed, you do like this video, and you tag Kelly's Crochet Adventures in the comments below, because there's a lot of things in crochet that Kelly's was the first place that I felt just totally accepted for being kind of a weirdo, kind of strange, wanting to make more unusual projects. Not that Kelly makes unusual projects, but Kelly was just so accepting of everyone that came in the door. So was Dana. Dana's great too. You can tag Dana if you want to. But Dana's stuff there too if you want to tag them. But they are great. You should definitely follow them. This has been a great experience. YouTube is such great therapy, and I love the camaraderie and family that we have here. So I'm just extremely thankful. And if you want to win these hooks, I would love to send them to you. Unfortunately, due to just cost restrictions, I am kind of restricted to the continental United States. Well, maybe not even continental, but I am restricted to the United States because shipping, unfortunately, is just pretty expensive. And even looking, I've looked at sending Winter something, and it's so much more. Every place's postage is a different number, and it can get really, really expensive really, really fast. Unfortunately, I don't have the resources to do that, but I can send someone in the US these hooks. Now, if you want to enter and you can talk to someone in the States who's willing to send them along to you and you pay the difference of shipping, that's totally up to you. You can enter that way. You can give me that person's address. They can send it to you, whatever you want to do. But for me, I personally just can't finance that right now. Sorry. So yes, please, 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 if you want these hooks, I can't recommend them enough. I always go back to them, even when I'm in a heavy furls place. Sometimes I just go back to these because they're such good hooks. They work with so much yarn. They don't have a lot of squeak to them, with a lot of that you experience, a lot of like aluminum and like metal tipped hooks, which I really appreciate. Something I like about this is that it's not, if you look at like so here's a boy, right? Nope, not a boy. It's a fake boy. Are you a real boy? I have to have a real boy here. I think I just took, well, like, here's the Susan Bates. Okay, I know this is a Susan Bates. So you can see and feel with the Susan Bates hooks that there is not as much grip. They're pretty slippery, which can be good and can also be a little bit of a negative. These are, I don't know if anodized or like brushed metal is the right word to say, but they provide a little bit more grip to the yarn, which I really, really like because it helps me control my stitches a little bit easier. Whereas the things that are very slippery, I do find them a little, I'm struggling to keep tension correct and stuff like that. So if you want to be a better crocheter, or if you like these hooks and you want more of them, or you want to try new hooks, like risk-free, I mean, look at how much these are on Amazon. Look at how much they are at Joann. And like, I'm telling you, free is a good deal. I mean, free is a good deal on pretty much everything except for like herpes, right? But I hope you didn't have to pay for that. But they are great hooks. I use them a lot. They are very reliable. I've never, ever, ever, ever broken one. They stay inside the silicone really, really well. You know, even if you're using something that you have to use a lot of tension for, like I've never pulled any of the metal out of the grip. And some, you know, cheaper hooks that have the grips, you can pull them right off, and you're like, great, well, there goes my grip, and you can try to put it back on and slips right back off. You don't have that problem with these hooks. These are great hooks. I do like them a lot. I do use them a lot. I probably venture more towards my furls on average, just if I can, because of the wrist problems, but everything else is just fantastic about these hooks. So these, again, are the Clover Moors. Clover does make other hooks. They make those, like, little gold ones. I have not tried those, but they don't look like something that I vibe with as much as I vibe with these. I hope you enter, and I hope you win. You know, I want to give these away. So I will announce the winner, and when I announce the winner in the video, I will also say how long you have to get back to me, how to get a hold of me, all of that stuff. You can comment as many times as you want, but only one comment is going to count. I'm going to press the button that removes duplicate comments, so you can't spam this to get any kind of advantage. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for 1K. I hope we can get another 1,000 or 2 or 3, who knows, whatever. Sky's the limit. A boy can dream, and thank you for letting this boy dream a little bit. So thank you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.